So let's say that hypothetically speaking, you are going through some situation that you feel there's no out. Well, allow me to walk with you. It feels as though we're not progressing. It feels as though there is no support. It feels as though nobody cares. And it's kind of like drowning in a cup of water. You're trying to figure out what you could have done differently or why things are the way they are. You just can't seem to find it. Let me guess, you feel like giving up, right? Ask yourself why, though. I know you hear it constantly. You've probably seen it at one point in time in your life, but you never once cared about that quote or a saying that goes as follows. The sun will always rise on the east and set on the west. What does that mean? That means that as sure as it was night, is bound to be day. As sure it was daytime, is bound to be nightfall. So the question here is not so much why is everything falling apart, but instead take a breather. Take a breather. Inhale, exhale. Pause for a second. Try to clear your mind a minute. And take it one step at a time. Remember that once upon a time you were you. Just you. No kids. No wife. No girlfriend. Heck, not even a dog. It was just you. Think about a time when you didn't have a job. Think about a time when you didn't get up to have to go anywhere. But it was just you. Now that you find yourself in that moment again, start to analyze. How can we take down these situations one by one? So if the baby's mama equals drama, paper trail. If you can't seem to find that good, steady job, think about the salesman perspective. Knock on 100 doors, and I promise you, one will open. Can't happen to pay bills. Look around you. Pretty sure you've acquired a lot of materials that you really didn't need. You wanted them, but you didn't need them. What I'm trying to tell you is that everything has a solution. There's no need to exit, if you know what I mean. You got to keep moving forward. Every situation is a good thing, even though it feels bad at the moment. Because through that situation, you're going to come out the other side with a better understanding on how to overcome. The loss of a loved one. Yeah, it hurts. It's a deep cut. It's a deep spiritual cut that you will never heal. It'll become a wound. A song comes on, a nice day, a thought, and that wound begins to bleed again. But that doesn't mean you give up. Don't stop. Don't quit. Keep moving forward.